yeah. So to start the presentation, I've been attending all the webinars that have been happening, and one thing that I've picked up is from Satish Dada. He said in one of the webinars कि मेरे पास 25 साल का experience नहीं है. It's a fresh start for me, and I guess this line means so much for every one of us now that we have to go back to our drawing books, we have to go back to our projects. As Sachin sir rightly said, we have to go back to the office, and we have to be the leader that we are supposed to be. And it's a fresh start, and yeah, so we need to follow that now. So क्या हम एक प्रोजेक्ट में 300 रुपए बचा सकते हैं? It's a ambitious figure, but yes, we can save from our normal routine. And how can we save that? That I'm going to show by practical analysis. So I've divided the presentation in three parts, that is planning, execution, specification. So पहले part में हम लोग what is the impact of planning, and I will not be talking about hypothesis. ये सब practical projects है जो मैं अभी execute कर रहा हूँ या कर चुका हूँ, and these are all practical costs. In the second part, I'll be talking about an actual project in past 60 days, what we have implemented in the costing, and what are the effects of it. And third part में I'll be talking about standard specifications. This is just a guideline, you can always upgrade, but क्या चलता है हम लोग उस पे बात कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर में. So going for the design aspect, aspect, तो optimum size planning बहुत important है. And why it is important, my further slides are going to tell that. Standardization again is very important. We have to be like an automotive industry where we have standard sizes. It's more of a factory made, because affordable housing is never about huge profits. It's always about huge quantities. The only way that you can make big money in affordable housing is by making housing, क्योंकि हमारे को चाहिए प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे जो है या प्रोजेक्ट हमारे जो है उनमें सेलेबिलिटी फैक्टर होना चाहिए, सेलेबल नहीं होना चाहिए. तो वी शुड नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेट कि हम लोग ने कितना सेलेबल निकाला है, रादर द प्रोडक्ट कितना सेलेबल है, वो चीज ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाला है. So this is our first plan, whereas you can see कि 8 flat है to the core. It's a 2 BHK planning. The apartments है. If you can see here, I've noted down certain figures. Whereas in built up area क्या है, it's 47,000 के आसपास है. 64 apartments in the total building. Then I've also written the passage area, STP area, and the underground water tank area. Why this area is important, that I'm going to show you in further slides, कि how things impact by just the slightest change of size in your apartment planning. अगर आप देखोगे built up ratio जो है available is 1.08, which is again very good compared to what is there in market right now. 1.14, 1.15 is the standard, but 1.08 again is a very efficient planning. If I go to the second plan, यहाँ पर सब 1 BHKs है. Again 8 flats to the core. It's a ground plus 4 building. 1 lift, 1 staircase. All the data on the right hand side you can see कि STP कितना है, underground water tank कितना है. 32 square meters के apartment है. Here if you see my built up to sellable ratio is 0.97. So यहाँ पर मेरा sellable ज़्यादा है, built up कम है. So again a very efficient planning. If I go to my third plan, yeah, so here you can see ground plus 6 का building है. There are 13 flats on one floor. The ideology behind this plan, this is one of our initial plans, कि अपन जितने ज़्यादा flats डालेंगे उतना अपना lift का cost बचेगा. And only to save lift cost, this plan was designed, and it's a complete disaster if you talk in terms of costing. So ground plus 6 का ये plan है. Again here if you see built up to sellable ratio जो है वो 1.01 है. Again very efficient. Then यहाँ पर apartment size जो है वो 22 square meters है. This is the STP capacity and the underground water tank capacity. So if we go to the next slide, see, this is the impact. So when I mentioned about passage area, तो जो मेरा प्लान ए था विच इज 45 स्क्वायर मीटर, प्लान बी इज 32 स्क्वायर मीटर एंड प्लान सी इज 22 स्क्वायर मीटर। तो पैसेज कॉस्ट जो है वो 7.71 रुपीज था पर स्क्वायर फीट, which rose to 12.82 when I reduced the size. And here, the number of tenements on one floor the was 13. Here it was 8. Here again it was 8. Underground water tank के cost में अगर हम बात करेंगे तो plan A में cost is 10 to 22.51 rupees in plan C. HTP में you see a similar cost difference, again double का cost difference है। एंड जो मैंने आपको बताया, मैंने 13 फ्लैट्स बनाए जस्ट टू सेव माई लिफ्ट कॉस्टिंग, द रियलिटी इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट। माई लिफ्ट कॉस्टिंग देयर वाज द हाईएस्ट कंपेयर टू प्लान ए, 41 to 54 rupees. So just in these four aspects, you can see there's a cost difference of 45 rupees. So you have to be very smart while designing an affordable housing project, because एक छोटा change भी is gonna save you a lot of money or cost you a lot of money at the same time. If you go on the next slide, दिस इज द एक्सकवेशन कॉस्ट। अगेन यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है, पर 1-2 रुपए का स्क्वायर फीट पे फर्क है। आरसीसी कॉस्ट में जो मेरा 45 स्क्वायर मीटर का अपार्टमेंट था, इट कॉस्टेड मी मोर। In plan B it was the cheapest, and in plan C, that is the 22 square meter apartment, it again came to 418. अगर हम लोग ट्रांसफॉर्मर कॉस्ट का बात करें तो 18 रुपया था 45 स्क्वायर मीटर के अपार्टमेंट के लिए, विच रोज अप टू 36 रुपीज। अगेन डबल का फर्क है। पेरिफेरल डेवलपमेंट, दैट इज योर रोड्स, योर कॉन्क्रीटिंग, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दैट, तो 33 रुपया 33 रुपीज था 45 स्क्वायर मीटर के लिए अपार्टमेंट के लिए, and it was double in my plan C, that is my 22 square meter wala apartment. Here again, if you see, 47 rupees ka cost difference hai overall. The sad part about our rules today is कि हम लोग का कितने भी साइज का अपार्टमेंट हो, भले वो 20 स्क्वायर मीटर हो या 40 स्क्वायर मीटर हो या 50 स्क्वायर मीटर हो, इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज 5 टेनामेंट्स। तो जब मैं एक 45 स्क्वायर मीटर का अपार्टमेंट बनाता हूँ और जब मैं 22 स्क्वायर मीटर का अपार्टमेंट बनाता हूँ, मेरा सर्विस कॉस्ट डबल अप हो जाता है। जो मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्मर कॉस्ट है, मेरा यूजीडब्ल्यूटी कॉस्ट है, माई एसटीपी कॉस्ट, इट डबल्स अप। सो अगेन यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाइल डिजाइनिंग अ प्रोजेक्ट। सो दिस वाज ए पार्ट कि आपका ग्रिड क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है। नाउ आई विल गो टू माय सेकंड पार्ट विच इज स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन। सो जब हम लोग इनिशियली प्रोजेक्ट पे बैठे, सो वी डिसाइडेड कि यार एल्यूमिनियम विंडोज बनाना है, तो साइज क्या रखे। सो वी केम टू दिस पार्ट, दैट इज एक 3x4 का विंडो लिया, एक 4x4 का लिया, एक 4x6 का लिया और एक 6x6 का लिया। जब इनिशियल कॉस्टिंग आए तो माय फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस वाज कि नहीं 6x6 का विंडो बनाओ, क्योंकि 3x4 का विंडो वाज 353 रुपीज अ स्क्वायर फीट एंड माय 6x6 विंडो वाज 203 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट। तो अगर आप देखोगे 150 रुपए का फर्क है। तो द इनिशियल रिएक्शन वाज कि नहीं बॉस, अपन बड़ा विंडो देंगे, वो अपने को परवड़ेगा। बट देन वी डिसाइडेड कि चलो लेट्स गो अ बिट डीपर। इट्स नॉट ओनली द विंडो which forms a part of the wall. There is masonry, there is your steel and grill cost, there are other cost impacts that are impacting that overall scenario. तो हम लोगों ने विंडो 4x3 का विंडो started to cost me the cheapest. It was 183 rupees a square feet, and 4x4 को वो 184 रुपीज हुआ, 4x6 को इट वॉज 180 रुपीज, एंड 6x6 जो इनिशियली मेरे को लगा था सबसे ज्यादा सस्ता होगा, इट एक्चुअली वॉज कॉस्टलियर देन द स्मॉलेस्ट विंडो साइज। तो अगर आप आपका विंडो साइज भी ठीक से प्लान करते हो तो देयर इज अ इम्पैक्ट ऑफ अराउंड 25 to 40 रुपीज ऑन योर बिल्टअप कॉस्ट। Same if you see for kitchen platform, we took 3 sizes, that is 7x2, 8x2 and 9x2. All these 3 sizes, आपका सिंक बैठता है, उसका गैस बैठता है, you've got space for doing other chores of the household. So all these 3 sizes we started to take the cost out. This is the cost that we came up to. तो अगर आप देखोगे 45 स्क्वायर मीटर के अपार्टमेंट में द कॉस्ट फॉर बिल्डिंग अ 7x2 किचन प्लेटफॉर्म इज 12.60 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट। वही अगर आप 22 स्क्वायर फीट में जाते हो, 22 स्क्वायर मीटर में, तो वो कॉस्ट डबल अप हो जाता है। एंड यू कैन सी दैट कॉस्ट डबलिंग अप इन एवरी सिनेरियो। सो इज इट एक्चुअली affordable making the cheapest flat? The answer is no, बिकॉज इफ यू कैन सी इन ऑल माई स्लाइड्स फ्रॉम अबाव कि जो मेरा सबसे छोटा फ्लैट है, जो मेरा सबसे चीपेस्ट फ्लैट है, इट हैज एक्चुअली कॉस्टेड नियर बॉम्ब टू कंस्ट्रक्ट. So if you see, these are some general recommendation that if you still want to go for that EWS segment, you should have a 7x2 ka window size. This is what I suggest. 32 square meter ke liye you go for a 8x2 size, and 45 square meter ke liye you go for a 8x2 kitchen platform size. Now these are some interesting constants in the project that we found out. अगर हम BBM का बात करें, masonry का बात करें, so when it was the biggest size, my constant was 1.07. Like my BBM area was 1.07 times my floor area. When the flat size is reduced, that is to 32 square meters, it rose up to 1.33. And for the 22 square meter apartment, it rose to 1.37. The same constant you can see in gypsum also, like the internal gypsum. 1.35 constants are for the for the biggest flat, which grew almost double to 22 square meter apartment. And here we are talking about कि एक gypsum अगर आप standard करने जाओ तो 20-22 रुपया square feet cost होता है. So here there's a difference of 20 rupees just by changing the flat size. Masonry में again the same impact is there, and external plaster again similar results were seen. क्योंकि as you go small on your design, the grid becomes more complex. You have more khachas in your planning, and that increases your external periphery of the building. So again, there's a huge cost impact happening over here. And these are some general recommendations that you can follow for planning your project. एक तो क्या होता है, जो हमारा मीटर रूम होता है या ट्रांसफॉर्मर होता है, दैट्स ऑलवेज प्लानिंग में हम जाते हैं आर्किटेक्ट को बोलते हैं भाई वास्तु के हिसाब से बना दो, इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस. बट इट शुड नॉट बी डन लाइक दैट. वी शुड एक्चुअली फिगर आउट अ पोजीशन जहां पर हमारा LTHT का कॉस्ट कम हो, जहां पर हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का कॉस्ट कम हो, जो मीटर रूम है उसका कॉस्ट कम हो. सो दैट हेलो. सो
मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप कर देता हूँ सर. राइट. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
दिलीप भाई, कैन यू म्यूट योर ऑडियो? या. So when it comes to core, again we have seen कि core बहुत ज़्यादा important है. अगर मैं बात करूँ जो मेरा सबसे बड़ा core था 13 फ्लैट का, अफोर्डेबल है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप एक फ्लोर पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्लैट छोड़ दो. It's not at all affordable doing that way. So your core is again very important. It has to be optimum. Lift में at the time of planning, what you can do is you can talk to your vendor, take the exact shaft size, एंड वही हिसाब से आप उसको अपने प्लानिंग में इंट्रोड्यूस करो rather than going for a standard shaft size. It again saves you money. Amenities is very important. अभी हमको सबको बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन करना है. सेलिंग कॉस्ट एक A फिक्स्ड हो चुका है, कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट B फिक्स्ड हो चुका है. सो नाउ यू शुड नो व्हाट इज द बैंडविड्थ लेफ्ट विथ यू. अगर आपके पास 100 रुपया ही है डेवलपमेंट में, accordingly you should promise your amenities, because initially promising is very easy. When you deliver, you actually see there's a lot of cost impact going around that corner. Plumbing again छोटी छोटी चीजें है. You can leave sleeves in your at the time of casting so that you don't have to put in core cutting cost. In this segment it's been seen कि अभी भी काफी लोग red bricks use करते हैं, flash bricks use करते हैं, या फिर AAC blocks use करते हैं, but उसमें फिर भी mortar लगाते हैं. So don't do that. Use AAC blocks with chemical bags that come with the blocks. It is again going to save you around 10-15% in your costing, and the process is much more cleaner and faster. Door frames जो है ये segment में आप RCC door frames लगा सकते हो. You can even go for red Marantini door frames, which cost you 600 to 1200 rupees per frame. Because आप अगर बात करो प्लाई या गन्नाइट डोर फ्रेम्स की, दैट कॉस्ट अराउंड 2500 रुपीज पर फ्रेम. सो दिस इज एक्सेप्टेड. यू कैन गो फॉर दैट. यूनिट साइज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो मैंने ऊपर के स्लाइड में बताया. द इम्पैक्ट फ्रॉम अ 22 स्क्वायर मीटर अपार्टमेंट टू अ 45 स्क्वायर मीटर अपार्टमेंट is approximately 300 rupees. So you have to be very careful while planning your flat size. अगर कोई आपको बोले कि EWS है, LIG है, वो सस्ता बनेगा, भूल जाओ, नहीं बनेगा. It's actually gonna cost you bomb consider to your MIG housing. Point planning जो है, it's very important in this segment. जैसे आप AC का प्रोविजन दे दो, आप conduit डाल दो, आप प्रोविजन कर दो. अगर उसको लगाना है, he'll do the wiring part and everything on his own. For inverters also you make a provision, you give a switch next to your DB. अगर उसको इन्वर्टर लगाना है, do the provision, but don't increase your cost there. जैसे in most of the planning क्या होता है, you have two-way switches, don't go for that. एक रूम में एक सिंगल स्विच पे एक लाइट पॉइंट भी चलेगा तो चलता है ये सेगमेंट में. मेंटेनेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है ये सेगमेंट का. होता क्या है, द पीपल हु आर buying this home are having a salary of 50K per month or maybe 60 or maybe 70. तो 10-20 हजार रुपया तो उसका EMI में जा रहा है. अगेन उसका घर का है 10-20 हजार रुपया, एंड बाकी उसका गाड़ी है और EMIs है. There are a lot of other things happening. So he doesn't have the bandwidth of expense. So होता क्या है कि हम लोग बहुत सारी amenities दे देते हैं and it becomes tough for them to maintain. So you have to think about the maintenance cost for these people. अगर they'll have a happy time living in your society, it has to be more sustainable. You'll automatically get more reference. RCC का बात करें तो in our rules we are allowed 2.85 meters floor to floor height. तो 2.9 या 3 meters के लिए जाने का जरूरत नहीं है. Go for 2.85 meters and it's again going to save you 10 to 15% in your RCC cost. Doors जो है you can go for painted flush doors rather than laminated doors. अगर आप कॉस्ट सेविंग का बात करो, 150 रुपया कॉस्ट आता है लैमिनेटेड डोर्स का, वेयर एज इन यू कैन इजीली सेव 40 to 50 rupees per square feet on the door area by shifting to painted flush doors. प्रैक्टिकल एनालिसिस के ऊपर हम अब जाते हैं, वेयर एज इन दिस इज वन ऑफ आवर प्रोजेक्ट. दिस साइड ऑफ द टेबल इज कॉस्ट बिफोर and this side is cost after the implication of the measures. तो अगर हम excavation का बात करें तो go for geotechnical report, strata check करो, mark your building, put a 1 meter offset and don't go for mass excavation. Only excavate the area which is needed. Here you can save a 0.62 rupees. भले ये 0.62 अभी छोटा दिख रहा है, but when you go through a table with me, you'll see how much cost saving is done in total. RCC में जैसे मैंने बताया, go for 2.85 meters of height, then go for optimum duct sizes, common walls कम से कम करो, AC blocks use करो. अगर ये सब चीजें आप फॉलो करते हो तो you can save around 16.40 rupees on your built up area. Finishing again, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, use of AC blocks with chemical application. यहाँ पर if you are going for a 2.85 meters of height, you don't need to put a partly. So that's again an added cost. So you can do away with that. Waterproofing may go for chemical waterproofing. That's going to save you cost. Then tiling may instead of using reverse and charge, go for a 6 mm grit. That's going to save you a lot of money. Doors may, as we suggested, go for painted doors. That's going to save you a lot of money. Again, if you see plumbing and all, this is okay. So in finishing items also you can see that we saved around 50 rupees in total by adopting different measures. इंफ्रा के काम में आप जैसे आपका ट्रांसफार्मर का हमने बात किया, पोजिशनिंग ऑफ ट्रांसफार्मर्स, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Then compound wall, rather than going for traditional compound walls, you can go for precasted compound walls. It's going to save you a lot of money. हम लोग के प्रोजेक्ट में हम लोग लाइट्स लगाते हैं कॉमन में, so you can replace that with solar lights. In this project practically 3 रुपया फर्क पड़ा from going through a normal pole to a solar pole. Then again, if we talk about consultation charges, now this is a very important area. हम लोग क्या होता है कि लोगों के पास जाते हैं, आर्किटेक्ट के पास जाते हैं. आई डोंट वांट टू डिफेम एनीबॉडी, बट देयर इज अ स्टैंडर्ड कि 12 रुपया है, 15 रुपया है, 20 रुपया है. You did not pay so much amount when it comes to affordable housing, because it is just multiplication. You most of the time have a single unit size and buildings भी आपके duplication होता है basically in the project. So you have to talk with your consultants and you have to reduce that cost. So यहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा cost saving होता है. For my project, I pay anywhere between 4 to 5 rupees for architect fees. Additional staff salary में आप काफी पैसा बचा सकते हो. So the procedure that we followed is कि आपका जो project manager है, so initially instead of starting work, you get all your drawings ready, all your GSCs ready. so that uska he doesn't have to run for that during the course of construction. You can install CCTV cameras and reduce security guards. The small things like security guards can water your plants, even if that saves you department labor. आपका महीने का 10-15 हजार रुपया बचने को चालू करना पड़ेगा. So if you adopt small methods, the total effect that you can see is 10 rupees on built up cost. So if you see, when we started this project and the thing that we have done in this project, तो उससे तकरीबन 116 रुपया बिल्टअप पे कॉस्ट बचा. द प्रोजेक्ट विच वाज कॉस्टिंग मी 1542 अर्लियर, इट स्टार्टेड टू कॉस्ट मी 1426. So this is what I want to tell everybody, कि you have to go back on your design books, on your design board, think in a different way, think in an innovative way. आप easily you can save 300 rupees of cost on built up area if you properly plan your project and if you properly allocate funds to the respective activities. So affordable does not mean substandard. This is the third part of my presentation. So most of the time people have a pre-assumption that affordable मतलब substandard होगा, affordable मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. So we have to change this picture. In depth in most of the affordable projects you can have करने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. ऑटोमेटिकली you will have the lintel height. उसके बाद bricks है, you can go for 125 mm brickwork for internal and external walls. That is okay. Then internal plaster में आप सब gypsum finish कर सकते हो directly. In bathrooms you can do sunla above the lintel level. And then we use double coat plaster, ready mix plaster. It saves you a lot of money. Again, it is quantified. Reverse sand का quantification होता नहीं है, seal content check होता नहीं है, so you can do away with that. Then if we talk about tiles, you can go for a 2x2 vitrified tiles. डैडो आपका 300 बाय 450 का आपका डैडो इधर चलता है, हो सकता है. In kitchen, we again in all the bedrooms we are suggesting 2x2 vitrified tile. This is just a suggestion. You can always upgrade on your own, whatever you want to give to your customers. Then kitchen ota, you can go for a steel gray granite instead of a telephone black. Height of kitchen ota could be 32 inches from FFL. Window seal, we provide only bottom window seal. There's no need of providing four-sided window seal in this segment. Then window sizes, जो हमने पहले के presentation में देखा कि 3x4, 4x4 is optimum. You can go for that. Windows you can go for 2 tracks, but honestly depends in what area you are doing. If there is problem of mosquito, at least you can make a provision of third track. If people want, they can have their net fitted at their own cost. Door frames, we go for concrete frames or maybe red Marinti for the main doors and concrete for all internal doors. अच्छा दिखता है, people accept that, and you can paint them, and this saves you a lot of cost. Again, for your door fitting also, you can go for tadi patti aldrops in this segment. उसके बाद आपके जो सिंक है, किचन सिंक, that could be around 16 by 18 inches, which costs you around 600 rupees. Then when it comes to CP sanitary, wherever there is technical procedure involved, go for a branded fitting. But places where there is not much of technicality, like an angle cock or maybe a shower hose or a shower head, there you can go for local make. Then again, these are some related to electrical. You can go for a polycab wiring. These are general recommendations. You can always go for your own specifications. Yeah. So this is my ending remark कि affordable housing में क्या करना चाहिए. Don't go for joint ventures. We have screwed badly. Joint venture में आप पैसा नहीं कमा सकते. Affordable housing में try and buy your own land. And when we talk about buying land, calculation that we have come up is कि आपका जो FSI cost है, it should be 15% of your selling cost. मान के चलो आप 3,000 में फ्लैट बेच रहे हो, तो So आपका FSI cost should not be more than 450 rupees. Then only you are going to make profit, unless and until you tap on this cost. And this, we are talking only about affordable per se. So when you go above, then obviously this percentage is going to change. But affordable per se, under 5,000, your FSI cost you should restrict for 15%. In affordable housing, as Sachin sir rightly said, marketing is something that is really misguided. 360-degree करने का जरूरत नहीं है. We have seen our marketing cost go to 8%, 10%, which is huge talking cost per se. So this is a place that I request all the developers to keep a watch upon. Here you can save a lot of money. So yeah, this is what I needed to present.
I'm here. I'm decent. No worry. Thank you all on behalf of the members and the all participants here. I would like to thank Ranjit Naik Navre, Dilip Mittal, Sachin Kulkarni Bhau, Varun Advani, Nilesh Agarwal, the whole construction cost committee for the in-depth insight and affordable housing, the marketing aspects of it, other aspects of it, very, very educative and very practical. You guys rock. That's the best thing I could tell you. That was one.